What's up guys, today I want to show you how to record your mobile games by your PC. First we go to the browser and insert strcpy GitHub. Click on this, tap on this. Now you can see how to install it for Linux, Windows and macOS. In my case I'm using Linux. As you can see, it can't install by apt package. As you can see, we can use snap to install it. In there. I installed it before. ADB software should be installed in your system, and use this command line to see what software, what devices connected to your system. First you should connect your phone to your system by USB cable, and you can this ID. If you can this ID, watch my last video and turn on your debugging on your system. After that, option developers is enabled on your system. Now you can run your src.cpy to see that. As you can see, it is my device and you can use it very smoothly and very good. Now you can play your game, all of your games you wanted. I play PUBG mobile game. Now you can record this screen by one of the recording softwares on your OS. I using KAZAM to record this. As you can see there, it is my recording software. Now you can play game and recording your game. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and comment below.